Thank you for clicking on this channel. I have an unboxing and I'm so excited to share this and share my thoughts on it. So recently, this 4th of July weekend, I went to the outlets with my mom because she wanted to pick up a Kate Spade bag for my sister, and I was like, okay, sure. So we were perusing, it was packed because people be pressed for deals. Me too. That's why I fucking tagged along. So we went, we got the bag from Kate Spade, and after that we went to Michael Kors, and I noticed that they had 70% off most of the stuff in the store, and I was like, "Ooh, can you say treat yourself for your birthday?" Like, I've been on a treat myself kick because I had to spend my birthday on the island away from my family. So I was like, let me take this opportunity to just like, I don't want to say wild out, but like, I was wilding the fuck out. I'm gonna keep it a buck. So anyway, we're at Michael Kors. I'm basically dancing around the store, trying to decide between these couple of bags. There's one Selma bag. There was a really cute mini crossbody. It was like in this beautiful orange. I know Michael Kors gets a lot of hate via Black Twitter talking about how he's washed, how he's overrated. Michael Kors and Coach, they always get like slandered. I'm just like, I'ma still rock my Coach bag. I'm still rock my Coach sneakers. I really don't give a fuck what's popping, what's not popping. If I like it, I like it. That's it. So, yeah. So I just want to show the bag that I got. This is really out of the norm for me, but I just really loved it. Like, my eyes lit up. Even my mom was like, "You love this bag. Like, I've never seen you light up like this." So, bruh. Oh my god, like, it's embossed leather, it's in gold, and it actually came up to like $63 and some change. I think that's why she paid it, because if it was like $100, she would have been like, "You're good." And I was like, "Thank you, got it." So I got it, so excited. It is the gold, oh, it's the Carla purse in embossed leather in the color gold. It retails for $428. That's what this tag says. I don't know too much about that, but who am I? I really liked it because it does remind me of like I feel like Michael Kors knocked off the Birkin and no one is saying anything about it, but I really loved it. It's really spacious, and I wear a lot of black because I'm secretly still emo as fuck. I'm still going through my teenage angst despite being a grown-ass fucking woman. So this is what the inside looks like. There's there's a couple of pockets and dividers, and the inside says Michael Kors. Honestly, I know, like I said, Michael Kors gets slandered all the time, all that other shit. I truly don't give a fuck. But I do find like a lot of the MK like logo purses to be very tacky. I don't know, something about that MK and you see and you're just like, he couldn't even pay me to rock that bullshit. I was like, please just give me a simple Michael Kors bag that's, you know, like, I don't mind his logo being right here, but like to have that MK bullshit all over the bag, it's just like, ugh. And it's always, yeah, no. I was like, ah. So this is the type of bags that I go for. I love it. It does come with a strap if I kind of want to rock it as a crossbody, which I love. No complaints. I think I like the embossed leather more than I like their other bags. You know, have like the simple flat leather. I have another Michael Kors bag. This one, like with this leather, it tends to get scratched up very easily, and you can notice it. I've had to use you can't even fucking see it because not the frame. I normally clean it. I've had to like send it to Michael Kors to clean it for me because it does get scratched up very easily, but I do love it. It's a great work bag. If I remember the fucking name, I'll try to share it. Again, I tend to just stay away from the logos and other shit because it's just not my cup of tea. Not slamming anyone who does it. You know, you like what you like, I like what I like. That's life. But this right here, this Carla bag, oh, it's just so beautiful, and I just see myself wearing this to like a Nigerian event and just be a shine, 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 as Patricia would say, shine, shine brights. Woo! It is so fucking gorgeous. And again, I feel like he stole the whole shape of a Birkin. Like, I feel like this is very on. Like, if you didn't see the logo, you'd be like, is that bitch wearing a Birkin? Maybe, but not really. So I'm here for it. I'm here for this bag. I'm here for it. I just wanted to share it. I love it so far. No complaints. I love how it's giving me like that fake animal print. I don't know what animal would be like this, like alligator. Then it has the I don't know what you call these bullshits that like so your bag's not completely on the floor. But they're just also gold. I'm a gold girl. I don't know any Nigerian who's not really fucking with gold. It's the Nigerian me. I love shiny gold things. So I'd recommend this bag. It's a Carla bag. Get it in the embossed leather in the shade gold. I do believe it has other colors, but at the outlets, this is the only color they had. No, I'm lying. They had this and like a snake skin print. But I wasn't too crazy about the snake skin because I don't really know how to style snake skin. But overall, I am happy with my new bag. I love it. I'm obsessed. I'm definitely going to wear the fuck out of it. So 5 out of 5 baddies. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching this unboxing, haul, review. I never know what to call these fucking videos. Anyway, thank you again for watching. I hope you have a great day. Like, subscribe, share, tell your homegirl about me, tell your hairdresser about me. Put me on. That's it. That's all I gotta say. Bye. Bye.